everybody, my name is LaDonna. I will tell you why I prefer Photoshop over Canva. This may have been the tea that you've finally been waiting for somebody to tell you which is better and why. And the number one reason why I prefer Photoshop is because I'm not limited. I don't like being limited. When I am editing a photo, when I'm using text, I don't like to be limited. So when I look in Canva, I am looking for ways that I can warp text. I'm looking for text effects, and I don't see any of that in Canva. Now, if you're going to stand out in this sea of sharks, you have to be unique. You have to do things different. If someone, such as your customer, pay you for something, they're not going to pay you for something that they can create themselves. So you have to be able to show differences. And when you learn how to start a design, what to include in your design, and how to lay your design out, you've conquered half of the battle. You are not going to learn how to create a design by using someone else's template, but you need to know how to create a design. Why? Because you're going to have customers that come to you that want something personalized. They may want, if it's a family reunion, they may have a saying. They may want that saying on a t-shirt, on a banner, and that makes it personalized. You can make your own. All you're using is text. You need to know how to lay out this text. So guys, stop wasting your time searching for the perfect template or the perfect design and make it yourself. You do need to know how to use Photoshop, and that's what I am going to teach you starting today. So make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to finally teach you what it takes to make a real balanced design. I'm going to teach you where the hidden gems are inside of Photoshop, and you will be happy that you joined in.